Good day everyone, I go by name Skyward. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. As an affiliate marketer, one of the important backbone of affiliate marketing is to have real and organic traffic who are accessing your link or your platform, and that's where I'm coming because I have a software for sale. It has been helping me, it has been generating excellent sales for me for a while now, and the software is up for sale. If you check my previous video, you will know I'm talking about the software. Yes, and the software, I have many students around the world that are getting my software and are doing fine with it. And you can see, if you check my previous video, you will see results of my students also. So this is the account of one of my students again who got my software and is doing fine. And remember, to get my software today, contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Because remember, if you not learn, you won't earn. So learn now and get the software with my complete video course, which will take you step by step on how to use the software. And remember, you don't have to have any previous knowledge about the software or about Clickbank affiliate marketing before you can use my software, because my video course will teach you step by step on how to open an account, and I will personally open an account for you, no matter where you come from, no matter the registration. I will teach you on how to open account from anywhere around the world. So I will open accounts for you, and there's space for account management also. If you need account management, maybe you know how, so maybe you need someone to manage your account. I manage account for my students also, so that so that you can get along with time. So remember to get the software today. You can let's contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to the number in the description of this video. Thank you.